guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a PR unboxing. If you guys have been following my Instagram, or if you've been following my Instagram story, I have been in LA, so I accumulated some boxes and I thought it'd be fun to show you guys on camera. So the first one, which I already know what's in the Dose of Colors one, because Dose of Colors just came out with the Minnie Mouse collection, so I'm pretty sure that's what this is. Yes, it is. So I actually have the Mickey Mouse collection when they launched that, so I'm excited. I had no idea they were going to launch a Minnie Mouse collection, so this is exciting. So this is what it looks like. And look at this, her makeup on this. You can see it, yeah. Oh, stunning. I want to do this look exactly. And they have stickers. Come on. Stickers. And another thing that was interesting was that I didn't know, like, Dose of Colors is one of my favorite brands, and I had no idea that Dose of Colors had lashes. So they came out with lashes for this collection. I am pretty far away because of my setup, so yeah, but there's an eyeshadow palette, some lip colors, and I believe these are glitter liners, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Yes, they are glitter eyeliners. I mean, let me know if you guys want a tutorial on anything that you see in this video. So yeah, this is the palette. Super pretty shades. You guys have probably already seen this stuff like all over Instagram. I took the lashes out. So the lashes went here, and these are the glitter liners, and these are the liquid lipsticks. 3 liquid lipsticks and an eyeshadow palette, so yay. The biggest and heaviest box that I have is Neutrogena. Yay! They were releasing a lot of new stuff this spring. So we have some foundation sticks, and then we have some primers and some illuminators, and this one is a drawer. So I guess I should show you guys that. So there are drawers here, and you just open it up. And so that was the first 2, and then the third one has eyeliners, liquid eyeliner, and some eyeshadows. So that is exciting. Thank you so much. Okay, so next is Laura Mercier, another one of my favorite brands. I have a lot of favorite items from Laura Mercier. I'm struggling. In a box, and it says Laura Mercier on the front. The Caviar Chrome collection. So I have a lot of their Caviar eye sticks, which are their eyeshadow sticks that you just put on the eye. And it seems like they released some more. Wait, let's open this up. I don't know if this is the same thing. They released liquid eyeshadows. Look at this. I'm gonna swatch some of these. Oh, I wish you could see it better. Let me come up to you guys. So here is one of the shades. This was shade Crystal Rose. This one is shade Rose Gold Metal. The first one was a bit sheer, but it's like a duochrome shade. And then the second one is more opaque. So that's super exciting. And then they also have some of the Caviar Stick eye colors. Just the eye colors. I believe I already have 2 of these, so I'll probably have these in like a giveaway coming soon. I'm really excited to try the liquid eyeshadows because I believe this is a new launch of those. I don't know, I guess you guys can let me know if you know of them already having the liquid eye colors. So exciting. Okay, the next thing, let's see. I already opened this one. This is the new collection from African Pride, their hair collection, and I had absolutely no idea that they came out with this. I didn't open everything. I just looked at it kind of. So here is the bag. Like, how cute is this? Their Black Castor Miracle collection. They have an anti-humidity heat protectant, a sealing oil. They even have this little I think it's like a baby hairbrush. So this is what the brush looks like a triangle shape, and then one side is a comb and then one side is a brush. It's pretty cool. I don't slick my edges too much, but when I do, I'm gonna use that now. And then this is a rapid dry hair turban. I have something like this that I got from Target. This is just cute little stuff that they add in the PR package, so that's so nice that they have that. And then they also have a scarf that has like a African African print on it, which is really cute. And then the last thing is a scalp soother. Safely soothes the itching associated with hair weaves and other protective styles. It's great for shampooing and stimulating the scalp, which promotes hair growth. Yeah, cool. Okay, so now that I'm looking at this collection, I feel like this collection is for protective styles, because they have this, which is the braid and scalp cleansing rinse, and like a lot of this stuff just seems like geared towards if you're having a protective style. Okay, so the next package is from First Aid Beauty, which I'm really excited about this. I was so happy when they reached out to me, because I remember when I purchased my First Aid Beauty product. So much stuff. They have their Ultra Repair Hydro Firm Sleeping Cream, a coconut water cream, helps to hydrate, smooth, and recharge your skin. The Ginger and Turmeric Vitamin C Jelly Mask. Facial Radiance Pads help to exfoliate, tone, and brighten. The Ultra Repair Cream. I've seen this on QVC so many times. The presentation, I can't wait to use this on my skin. So it helps to relieve dry, parched skin, and it is a Allure Best of Beauty Award winner, which you guys know how much I love Allure, so that's that. Then they have a face cleanser. I actually want to try this, and their Retinol Eye Cream, a Ultra Repair Hyaluronic Hydrating Primer. Oh, that's really nice. So I can use this, try this out underneath makeup. Ultra Repair Cannabis and Oat Dry Oil. So this is to de-stress, relieve, and nourish the skin. So all of their stuff is safe for sensitive skin. Just in case you were wondering about that, I do have sensitive skin, so there's something that I really liked about this brand originally. That was the reason why I purchased a primer from them. Then this is the Resurfacing Liquid, which every time a product says resurfacing, I'll be kind of scared, but I'm sure it's not like a intense situation. And then we have the Ultra Repair Instant Oatmeal Mask. That's nice. And oh, this is what I bought when I purchased the first thing. This is what I got, the Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer, and this is the primer. If you guys remember, I used to use this a lot. Okay, so the next thing is from Bare Minerals. Oh, I think I was opening it wrong. That's why I was struggling. Here we go. So this is their Floral Utopia collection. I see a blush on there. I'm like really into blushes lately. We have the shade Tropical Orchid, which looks like this. Nice pink shade. And also I got a 3-piece brush collection, so some brushes in here. And then we have an eyeshadow palette, some lip lacquers, one of the highlighter sticks in the collection. This one is Indigo Girl. It's like a purple reflect highlighter. I'm sorry I'm so far away, y'all, but yeah, it's right there, the third one. But it's really cute, and it'll be cute for the springtime, which is what this collection is for. Oh, the outside is so cute. It's like right behind it you have the flowers here. So the wording and then the flowers are right behind it. And then here's the eyeshadow palette. So the shadows are pretty cute. And I can see you using the highlighter stick that has the purple reflex on it. I can see you using it as a base directly on the lid. Not up until the crease, but just on the lid before your eye creases. Applying these shades on top, and then you kind of change up the look with that. So this one, it doesn't have a brand name on it. So this one is a surprise. All the other ones I knew because like the label. Oh, COVERGIRL. I love COVERGIRL. So this is their new, I already know what this is. This is the Outlast Nude collection, the lip colors. I actually swatched all of these shades on my Instagram, so you guys can go and check it out. I'll leave the link to it below. Glam Glow. Their masks I like to take on trips with me. So in here we have their Glow Essentials mask set. So it has the Super Mud. That's the one I'm talking about. The Super Mud Clearing Treatment. That's the one I take with me on trips. But now I can try other masks. Burn mask, the Hydrating, Detoxify, Brighten, and Moisturizing mask, which is awesome. So here they are. They're like really cutely sized. So you probably can get at the most 5 times with each mask, which is really nice. It's one of those things where you could just try them out for a trial, so you get all of them. And I believe it's only $44 at Sephora. And these masks are really expensive. So $44 for all of these masks to just try them out and see which one you want to decide on. That's really nice. Okay, so this is from Thrive Cosmetics. So exciting. I really love like the messaging behind this brand. For every item they sell, they give one to a woman in need, which is really amazing. In here they have their strobing blushes. This one is in the shade Rosy. I believe I have this one, so this one will be in a giveaway. And Angelina. I may have both of these now that I think about it. And then there's a brush. Oh, okay, so the purpose of this PR package was they are launching their brush. So that's why I already have these blushes, because it's about the brush. So I'm super excited to try this. It launches on, oh, it already launched. I was out of town when it launched. It launched on the 12th, which is my mom's birthday. And I believe that is it. Yeah, that's crazy. I went through that so quick. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to let me know down in the comments what products you want to see first. Also, stay tuned because I will be doing a clothing haul soon. I did get a package within this that was closed, and I want to save that for the clothing haul, so stay tuned for that. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel as well as check out my previous video. And again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.